In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a photo into a realistic painting with Gemini and then make a short clip in Sora 2. Before we begin, have the photo you want to use saved on your device, ideally as a JPG or PNG. Make sure it's clear and well lit because better input usually leads to better results. First, go to Gemini in your web browser. On the main screen, look for the plus sign. This is the button that lets you add content. Click the plus sign, then choose Upload Files. A file picker will open. Navigate to your files, select the photo you want to transform, and confirm the upload. Once the image appears in Gemini, we'll give it a clear instruction. In the prompt area, type transform this photo into realistic painting with prominent paint strokes. This tells Gemini to preserve realism while emphasizing visible brushwork. When you're ready, click the arrow icon to send your prompt. Give it a moment to process. When the result appears, review the details. If the strokes or realism don't look the way you expect, you can resend with small tweaks, like adjusting the words realistic or prominent, but if you're happy, go ahead and download it. Save the file somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or a project folder. Next, go to Sora 2. On the main page, click the plus sign to start a new creation. You'll be prompted to add media. Choose the Gemini photo that you downloaded earlier. After the image loads, move to the text input, like type, "Make the man giving reviews to his long sleeve." This is the exact instruction we're using for this project. If the phrasing feels unusual or the preview doesn't match your intent, you can refine the wording later for clarity, but enter it as given to follow along. Now click on Create Video. Sora 2 will process the request and build a short clip from your image and text. Rendering can take a bit, depending on your device and internet speed, so be patient. While it's working, keep your browser tab open and avoid interrupting the process. When the clip is ready, play it back to check motion, framing, and how the subject is interpreted from your prompt. If something looks off, you can revert to the input, adjust the prompt wording, or try a different version of your image. And that's it. You've transformed a single photo into a realistic paint stroke artwork with Gemini, then use Sora 2 to turn that image into a short video. Keep your files organized so you can revisit and iterate quickly on future projects.